Ginger and Moringa, a powerful combination to combat multiple diseases. Ginger and Moringa are two plants that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their numerous health benefits. Both plants are known for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, which make them powerful weapons against a wide range of diseases. When these two plants are combined, their health benefits are multiplied, making them a potent natural remedy that can help fight many illnesses. Ginger, also known as gingembre officinal, is a popular spice that has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. It is widely used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine to treat a variety of conditions, including nausea, arthritis, digestive problems, and respiratory infections. Ginger is rich in gingerol, a bioactive compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Moringa, also known as Moringa oleifera, is a plant that is native to India, but it is now grown in many parts of the world. It is commonly referred to as the miracle tree because it is packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are essential for good health. Moringa leaves are a rich source of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and antimicrobial agents. The combination of ginger and moringa can provide numerous health benefits. Here are some of the most significant. Reduces inflammation. Both ginger and moringa have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a leading cause of many diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, ginger and moringa can help prevent these diseases and improve overall health. Boosts immune system. Ginger and moringa are both rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to disease. These antioxidants also help boost the immune system, which can help fight off infections and other illnesses. Lowers cholesterol. Studies have shown that ginger and moringa can both help lower cholesterol levels in the blood. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so this effect can be particularly beneficial for those at risk for this condition. Improves digestion. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for digestive problems, and research has shown that it can help alleviate symptoms of nausea, vomiting, and bloating. Moringa has also been shown to improve digestion and relieve constipation. Enhances brain function. Both ginger and moringa have been shown to improve cognitive function and memory in animal studies. These effects are thought to be due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect the brain from damage. Fights cancer. Some studies have suggested that ginger and moringa may have anti-cancer properties. Ginger contains compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in test tube studies, while moringa has been shown to induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Lowers blood sugar. Ginger and moringa have both been shown to help lower blood sugar levels in animal studies. This effect may be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes, as high blood sugar can cause a variety of health problems over time. The combination of ginger and moringa is easy to incorporate into your diet. You can brew ginger tea and add moringa leaves to it, or you can make a smoothie with both ingredients. You can also use fresh or dried ginger and moringa in your cooking, or take them as supplements. However, it is important to note that ginger and moringa can interact with certain medications, so if you are taking prescription drugs, you should speak to your doctor before adding these supplements to your diet.